everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Wow!
So I got a small gift. Let's unbox it together.
We are unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, and it comes in a box like this. So first I came across this card that shows the QR for their app. Then there were a few manuals with the DJI stickers and an instruction card showing how to fix the gadgets together. And then there was a protective case for the camera, which looked really handy and hardy. So all the other gadgets came in a soft case like this, and let's see what's there. Here comes the highlight of the video, which is the DJI Pocket size vlogging camera. Guys, it looks so cute and handy and looks like it's very easy to use when traveling. It comes with an extra battery, so if you run out of charge during a long trip, this can save you. And this is a tripod connector. Here's another major accessory that comes with the camera, which is the original DJI recording mic, which adds so much value to the whole gadget. They even had an extra wide-angle lens, and the rest of the accessories are here. Here's the tripod that I was talking about. Lastly, here's the charging cable and a moment of silence for the excitement. Woo! So this is the final look, and I can't wait to create some beautiful videos and better content for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for some exciting vlogs that will be coming up soon on our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.